No clue. Miss wind up. What can I say? No, don't scream. Never scream in these situations. Sirens just went off again. I don't know what for. I imagine another thunderstorm warning. Yeah. This is probably, if I were to guess, 70 miles an hour winds, hail, big hail, golf ball. They only set the sirens off for tornadoes, 70 miles an hour winds, and then they set them off for golf ball size hail too. They will not set them off for special weather statements though. Sorry it's so dark. This is from one of the same storms, I think. This always happens when they update a warning. I'll be on a news site or a weather site, and hold on, yeah, and I'll hit reload, and they're just getting it through the site. It isn't a tornado yet. There's no tornado. The only tornado that's around this area is like north of the city of Muscatine. And that's like the Dubuque area currently, when this video is being filmed. It does kind of look like a growing wall cloud. I mean, that might be a wall cloud. I can't really tell because of how dark it is, and your camera can't see either. But there, it looks like maybe a wall cloud. I don't necessarily see anything yet. My goal is for the YouTube channel to see some more sirens going off. Maybe go to a siren, but and I'm not sure if the microphone can handle it. If you got any suggestions on how to record sirens, so that oh, I don't know if you could hear me. Oh, here goes that wind. So, reason why you heard that harmonic heavenly chorus is the winds will play around with the siren sound waves, which is 2T22, so we'll play with them. Okay, let's keep note of that. Well, here it goes. Here comes the wind. It's picking up. Just lose power? No, we didn't. Might have to get inside here, depending on how windy it gets. I might have to get inside. Yeah, I'm gonna end this recording now because it's probably gonna start raining, and if it's a hailstorm, I don't want to be in it. But oh, maybe not. Well, because the thing is, it's being pushed 40 miles an hour over here. Hold on.